Hello everyone, I'm Indrajit. Today I'm going to start Excel. I will tell you how many methods you have to open Excel document file. So first method is go here, click on the start, then click on the My Office. Look, find My Office must be here, Office 13, yes. Then click on Excel file. So this is the first method. You can open your file. Just double click and your file is here. So now you have second, just close it, and you have another method. Just type here EXCEL, Excel, and first icon you will get here. So just click on it. Now from here you can open Excel document, blank, click on the blank file. So now two methods are here, but one more method is still here. I want to tell you because means you should find new and different ways to do your work. So computer is a field where you have to find new things. So the next method is right click on the desktop and go to the new. Here you will get option, you will get menu option, access, bitmap. From here you can also open Excel document like this. You can create file and double click on it and you will be able to open new file. So from there you can create your file directly. First you will create, then you will start your work. So after creating, what you have to do, you have to understand the tools first, which is given in your page number 77. So first column is name box. Look, this is a name box. Look, if I put here, it tells the cell address. If I put here, it tells the cell address. This is the A1. Why? This column will come first, A, and row after that A1. If I put here B1, C1, D1. If I put here A2, A3, A4, A5. So this box tells the address of the current cell. If I click here, it will tell the address of here R17. So this is a name box. Second, you have tools also, but we have to just come on this button, save, undo, redo. So we call it quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar means you can do any task. Suppose मैंने ये किया and I don't want to do, you can go one step back. याद आया नहीं, that is was correct. You can do this. So you have three options, undo, redo, and you can save your file. Because my file was already saved, so if I click, my this data will save automatically. So third is active cell. Active cell means, are you watching, this cell is different from the other cell because this is outline is black and bold. So you can understand, if this cell is here means this is the active cell, you can start typing here. Just type from the keyboard and you can type, press enter, then you can change the active cell. So active cell tells you you can type here. Now you have ribbon. These things are ribbon. This ribbon, insert ribbon, page layout. On the ribbon there are groups and tools. So now formula bar. Come on the home also. This is the formula bar. Look, if I click here, whatever is written you can see here. If I change here, everything will change in that cell. I'm changing here. So what is the use of formula bar? Formula bar tells the content of the current cell, sorry. It tells the content of the current cell, or it will show the formula, but either here is no formula, so it will not showing here. If you click here, you can see that whatever is written in the cell you can see here. So this is the formula bar, and you have two scroll bar. We call it vertical scroll bar and we call it horizontal scroll bar. So you have two scroll bar, and now this is a working area. You can see that workbook window. Here you can do your task, you can make table, you can do calculations, and the most important thing is the status bar. This is a status bar. Okay, like it is written here, ready, means this is the status bar. And look, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, we call it sheet bar. What it does, from here you can increase or decrease the sheet. Here you can do many changes like rename class 5 sheet. Here you can rename class 6 like this, and suppose you don't want, you can delete it also. So, and from here you can increase it. It is up to you how much you want. Maximum limit is 255, and by default you will get 3. You can delete. So by default you have 3 sheets and we call it. अब ये पूरी जो sheet है ना, इसको हम workbook बोलते हैं पूरा. Workbook is a collection of multiple sheets. Here are we have 2 sheets, sheet 5 or 6. So collection of multiple sheets called workbook. So now my files, हमारी फाइल तो सेव थी already. So this is a working area. Now आगे हमें क्या करना है? We have to see what we can do here. Now we have cleared the term formula bar, name box, workbook, sheet tab, scroll bar, status bar. Now active cell we know, cell address we know. Now we will do some work, practical step. How will you insert your data? Click on any cell and start typing Indrajit. Now you want to type here like Rahul. Just now you want to type here like write that Sita. Nothing you have to do. Just click on any cell and start typing. This is the first way. But you want to edit. No, here is not Rahul. Full name was Rahul Singh. You can double click on that. You get your cursor. Like just double click. Look, cursor is blinking. Now you can edit here like that. You can edit the cell content of the cell. Okay. How will you save your file? My file is already saved, but I'm telling you how can you save. Go to the file tab. Click on save. Done. But first time I show you again. I'm not using this file and now I'm making another file. Okay, so I will show you what happens first time, because there I had created the file. Like suppose I want to write my name first, Jeet, and I want to save file. Save. Click on the save button. It will ask you location. I want desktop. Click on the desktop. Now this window will appear in front of you. This window will tell you what you have to do. This tells you you have to give the name. I will give the name Indrajit. Always give valid name. School file. Always give proper name so you can understand why you are making that file, and just save it. Now your file is on desktop. See here. Yes, Indrajit. Take Indrajit school file. So here you can save your file like this. In a just I'm closing this video. In another video, I will tell you how can you open existing file. Hello everyone, I'm Indrajit here. Again, I'm going to tell you how can you open your existing file. So first you have to open Excel, any file you are working, or you can click on your file. But I will tell you how can you open your file from inside. So for this you have to open Excel, and suddenly you remember that I have to open my previous file. Go to file and click on open. So here we have a good thing. You can see the list of recent file where you were working, or another you can find from the my computer also. Go to desktop, okay, and just select your file, in which file you were working. Yeah, I remembered, मुझे याद है कि मैं इस पे work कर रहा था. Just select that file and click open. So you will new file will open. Yes, okay. So now you have 2 files. You can go close previous file. So now you have open previous file. Now you can start your work here again. So this is a method you can, through which you can open your previous file or existing file, means already you had. Renaming a worksheet. I told you that here is written sheet tab. You can change in the Jeet file like that. So here I can do my work. So like this you can rename. And now how can you insert? Just click on this. You can insert, and you have another method. Here right click and insert. It will ask you what you have to insert. Just click worksheet. Look, our new worksheet is here. So you can, like this you can insert, or you can click on this plus icon, so you can insert. And here is one other method is written, shift F11. See what happens? Shift F11 from the keyboard. Yes, it's working here. So you can insert new tab, Shift F11. So you can insert new blank worksheet. So you can do your work. So now we have done how can you insert deleting a worksheet. For deleting a worksheet, this is very easy. Right click on it, delete. Right click on it, delete. Right click on it, delete. Done. Right click on it, delete. So you can delete your files. How will you select your single cell? If I click on this, means my cell is selected. If I press Ctrl C, I have copied. Click anywhere, you can paste also. Okay, anywhere you can paste. Select, copy and paste. Copy and paste. So you can paste. Okay, select a cell range. Suppose I want to select this row. I can select this up to down. Okay, you want to select horizontal, so you can do horizontal selection. Suppose you want to do rows and column together, you can select like this. Just click here and drag your mouse diagonally. So rows and column you can select together. This is a selection method, but my favorite is click here, then sorry, click here, press control and click, press control and click. Like this you can select adjacent. Adjacent means suppose I want to select Alt G. Click first on first one, then press control को दबाए रहिए, then click on this, then click on this, then click on this. Don't leave the control key. Now here you can select adjacent, non-adjacent cells. Means they are cells are not together, they are at different position, and you can select all them together. So this is the way through which you can select. If you select you like this, you can select on rows and column together. If you do horizontal, so you can select rows only. If you select up to down, you can select column. Okay, how will you close a workbook? Here's an important topic: closing a workbook. I want to close a workbook. Go to the file, close. It will ask you, do you want to save? Yes, I want to save. वर्कबुक तुम्हारी क्लोज हो गई. मीन्स वर्कबुक क्लोज होने का मतलब है करंट विंडो जहां वर्क कर रहे थे वो क्लोज हो गई. एक्सेल नहीं क्लोज हुआ है तुम्हारा. स्टिल यू कैन क्रिएट न्यू फाइल. गो टू द फाइल, न्यू, ब्लैंक, ओपन. But I want to close this, close. So now I want to exit now. So here what you have to do, file tab, then click on exit. Sorry, file tab, or here you are watching this. So there is no need, just close this window and you can leave that platform.